With Miles, we're going to talk about 3- and 4-way stops. A lot of people are confused, and then the bus is here before I am, so I'm going to have a complete stop. The cars are out of the way, so there's another car coming. Cross traffic does not stop. So this car is confused. You see how slow they're going. Another car is confused, so this confuses all of us. So now I'm going to go ahead and go, because in North America, cars going straight have the right of way. So you need to remember that. If you're not in North America and cars drive on the left has the right. So I'm scanning. I'm looking around and looking ahead. So I'm looking around the curve. I'm taking my time. I'm looking for cars who will potentially pull out in front of me. People that think about returning gifts. They're not thinking about being safe. I'm looking ahead around the curve. I have great speed control. Here is a 3-way stop. Let's see if this car stops. Nope. So if we did that, let's see if they stop. Nope, they're the first car here, they should go. But I'm gonna do this like a student driver. I'm gonna be hesitant. And then I'm gonna go. So again, a lot of beginning drivers, you're hesitant, you're jerking the wheel to the left, you're jerking the wheel to the right. Now we're coming up to another stop. And then this is where it gets really confused, because cross traffic does not stop. So again, I'm gonna drive like a beginning student driver. I'm gonna hesitate. I'm gonna show you how confusing it is. So you really need to be on point, understand the rules of the right of way, and if this is one thing that all beginning drivers need to work on, is understanding the rules of the right of way. So this is where I take students. So we have to stop. The cross traffic does not have to stop. So I'm having a complete stop, 1001, 1002, 1003. So I'm waiting for a gap. And I'm looking left, looking right. They just got here. I've been sitting here. I see a gap. And then now I proceed. You see them? They didn't follow the rules. Are you learning something? Yes, you just learned something. People don't follow the rules. I was here before that person. In North America, the traffic that is going straight has the right of way. So learn from the mistakes of others. It was a great teachable moment, and you will be scared, you will be nervous, but learn and be patient. So I want to continue. Let's review what we've learned. The first car to get there is the first car to leave. If two cars come together, the car on the right has the right of way. I was on her right. I was here before her. She turned in front of me, so she broke the law. I'm looking ahead around the curve. I'm a state certified instructor. This has been Driving with Miles. I need you to subscribe to the channel, bring good value, get us a thumbs up, and thank you.